What to do if you overfilled engine oil? First, make sure you are properly measuring it. Check my video how to properly check engine oil level, link in description. If you really overfilled it, there is a simple solution for it. This quick video will show you easy way to solve this problem. Just use small pump with tiny tube and pump oil out through dipstick tube. Don't forget to check engine oil after to make sure it is at the proper level. Have a good day, and safe driving.